issued a tornado warning for southern Jefferson County, St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri, St. Francis County in southeastern Missouri, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line from over Old Mines to over Iron Mountain Lake, or along the line from 7 miles north of Potosi to near Ironton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Bismarck around 11:35 p.m. Park Hills, Leadwood, Von Terrace, and Deluge around 11:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Franklin, Doe Run, Blackwell, Leadington, Vales Mill, French Village, Libertyville, Victoria, River Oasis, and Minnis. This includes the following state parks: St. Joe State Park, St. Francis State Park, Hunt State Park, Felix Valley House State Park, and Missouri Mines Historic Site. This includes Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 141 and 175. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home,